Spartacus! 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 Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Yes, it's time. I feel the right inspiration and today I will start a big project. We are talking about a big fighting arena. Stay a while and listen. So this is gonna be crazy, guys. First of all, we need to draw the oval. And I'm using this graphics medium chipboard. Those are pieces 4 inches by 6. I'm using actually 8 of them. I will put them together and then we try to draw a perfect oval for the arena. This will be the dimension, so it is 4, 8, 12, 16 inches by 12 inches. Okay? Let's do it. So far, so good. Remember to support my channel if you like my videos, if you like my work, if you think that I'm some way inspirational for you. Please remember to support this channel through Patreon or PayPal. You can follow the links in the description box below. Just with the cost of a coffee, you can sustain this channel and help me do better and better. Remember also follow the links in the description box below. Those are affiliated links by Amazon. If you buy anything through those links, no additive cost for you guys, just a little percentage that can help a lot this channel. So check it out, okay? Dov'è? Yes, here. Hello fellow crafters, second round on this fighting arena. I hope this will end good, okay? Yeah, cross fingers, let's go to the table. Crack on. Wow, this first part was very interesting. I was improvising a lot, and yeah, for this kind of project, when you have a lot of repetition in architecture, you need to use some tools and some skills that allows you to be fast. You know, guys, that I have two other jobs. I'm not a professional crafter, as you can see, but by this channel, so I need to like anyone else, but time is priceless, so I need to do the best that I can in the less time as possible. So yeah, in this video you will see a couple of techniques that I use for patterns in architecture. I will work on this beauty during this weekend, and you will see it finished on the next week. So stay tuned, okay? See you next time.